everybody, Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I just got, let's be honest, I got a gift card and I spent it all. I bought everything at Textielstad. Some of them are with reason, some of them are just because. Let's just get into it. Everything is packed. I'm starting with one very colorful one. I'm going to give you the gist because everything is right there. This is my first one. This is I bought 2 meters of it. It is a Panama abstract, a canvas fabric. And I bought this one to make a blazer out of it. Very structured. Need I explain? You guys know me by now. Then I bought 1.40 m of this fabric right here. This is a big knit, so it's a cable knit type of fabric, and it is a mauve. It's old pink, how they call it here. However, I would say it's more towards mauve. I bought it for a blazer, crewneck blazer by Burda Styles, October 2014. This one right here is a poplin cotton. It is a retro blue brique. Now I really like it because of the retro style of it, and I thought because I have quite a few items that I want to make that are in the terracotta brick color family, I thought this would be perfect. I want to make a pants out of it. I bought 1 meter. I'm not sure what I was thinking, but I bought 1 meter. A pants is usually 2, but oh well. I bought some storage. This is for my threads, and it is from the brand Gütermann, but I have Mittler here, and I have some others that are in the same format, and it holds 27 of the threads. So I bought this one so I can organize some. I bought some fold over elastic. The color, this one is dark blue, 2 centimeters. This one is also 2 centimeters, and it's more of a beige sand color. I bought magnetics. I usually trace with thread. No, besides tracing with thread, I usually use Burda or Knit Oud from the magazine. They don't come with seam allowance already in the pattern, so you would have to add seam allowance. They will tell you, like, for the hem it's usually 4 centimeters, for the shoulder is 1, for anything else it's usually 1.5 centimeters unless otherwise indicated. And so I thought this would be very handy because you place these magnetics. Each magnetic is 0.5 centimeter, and you place it next to your scissor just like this. And so I don't have to trace the seam allowance. I could just add this to my scissor and cut it out. I'll try it, I'll show you guys. I needed some extra bobbin for my machine. I bought this color, this is Mittler. So I bought the raspberry color because it would go nice. This was the recommended thread for the big knit fabric that I need for my sweater. And I bought 2 or 3. I bought 3 of remnants. I bought this one. This is called Lurex. It's black. It has the length is 65 centimeters. The width is 150. So that means that this is 65. It has a little bit, it's stretchy, and it has a little bit of a texture to it, and also a little bit of metallic in it. And I saw a little t-shirt with somewhat 3/4, no, it's not 3/4, probably half sleeves, a little bit like this style from Burda that I wanted to try. And so I bought this one. This one was €5 as a remnant. I also bought what they call doll satin, which is 1 meter. The width is 145, and it was $6.50. It has a little bit of elastic. That's because I want to combine it with something else that I have to make a nice silk skirt that you could wear with a sweater, and so it's a nice transition into fall. And the last thing that I bought was this black Punta fabric, and it is 90 centimeters in length, 147 in width. It was 11 euros, and this isn't 11 euros. I didn't pay 11 euros for this. I can't imagine paying. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And yeah, so that's the black one. I already know what I want to make. I want to make a pencil skirt with this one because I saw a really nice reel by Seamwork. You guys know I am a Seamwork ambassador. Full disclosure, what that means is I get a free yearly subscription, unlimited yearly subscription, and I have early access to the patterns that are going to be in the queue in order to make them in advance. I can see what's coming up in the next season. You can give input. It's a really nice program. So I'm going to make the Margot. I tried it before. I didn't choose the right fabric, so it would be nice to try it out of this one. And yeah, that is me spending all of my gift card money, which is nice, because you know it's nice to be spoiled. So I have a pants in here, I have a shirt in here, I have a silk skirt in here, I got a pencil skirt, I got a sweater, and a blazer. So I have elastic, magnetic, and some, how do you call that? Storage, thread, and bobbins. And that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.